where the others have gone. Day 672. We had our first night in Mongolia last night. Another freezing cold one. My sleeping bag's broken. The zips, so Rupert's here.
Right.
Had like 4 layers on as well. Really good stars though, because Mongolia is on like a plateau. So the lowest point is like 1500 meters. Cool little camp spot, just really cold.
Take my money.
Rupert's snack dispenser.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, it's basically. I can't really get an arm now. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, 3 wishes, Calvin. For my birthday, I want to do some gods.
9,500 miles.
500 to go, and I will walk 500 miles, and I will walk 500 more.
Just to be in Ulaanbaatar in the finish line and on the floor. Give her some. Snappy. Oh look, another Yaris.
He doesn't have a sunguard.
Hello.
He doesn't have a sunguard though. That makes well.
And it's pink.
Right, now come again. Oh, what you mean, like there? Dig your full holes?
Or like if you dig with your stuff, dig into the
Oh, fuck off!
Where is it? Where is it, Root?
Literally over there, I can see it here.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
Quite a decent setup as well.
I feel like they may try and rip us off though because they like, you know, they know the gig with the rally.
Yeah, but we'll get them give us a surprise first. Oh look, they've got a 2018 sticker on already. Have they done that? Hello. Yeah, just held on with wire at the moment.
Side by side.
What does it say?
You got one from like 2005 on there.
Really? They've got a 2018 one as well. Alright, mate. Fucking hell.
Oh, it's the Mongolians' older brother.
Oh yeah, Bongo 3.
The 1-ton version. Opposed to the 2-ton version that they have.
Or the 1 ton version. Oh, that's only 1 ton.
Yeah, I reckon that.
No, that'd be.
Probably got 1 litre engine.
That'd be 1 ton. Yeah, loading.
Do you reckon it's got it now?
Oh no, it's 800k G. Just waiting for the sump guard to be repaired again for the 4th, 5th time.
We need to count it up. I think it's 6th.
Well, we put it on at home.
Samarkand.
Okay.
Do you count premieres as, you know, that one where they did it in the village? You count that as once or twice?
Twice.
Twice. Then in that guest house where they did it like midnight.
4. So this is the 5th proper mechanic repair job. Just got a couple beers from the map kit. And
admiring the fine cars they got.
Yeah. Admiring the showroom.
Wonder if they'll take a Yaris as part exchange, one of these bad boys.
The Bongo 3. And the car is in there. There she is. Getting welded up.
This is like a hacky sack to make in jail or something. I think that's 6.
I think that was 6. Oh, that definitely counts as 2.
Not sure. Yeah.
You can't drive that home, man.
Yeah, can. Why not?
Truck's got out.
Just if we get a.
It's not even that big. Not even that big, and it's fucking set our airbags off. Broken up windscreen. Airbag. Windscreen. But the sump guard's still on.
That was scary as shit.
That was fucking scary, wasn't it?
So Mr. Goucher has just set off both airbags. My ear's still ringing. The seatbelts are now locked completely. We've just cut them out, carried on going.
The horn still works.
The horn still works, so that's all good. And then
Bit of damage to the windscreen.
but still going. It's all right.
Yeah, she's actually driving better now, to be honest.
Yeah, okay.
Anything you'd like to say, Richard?
Basically, I've never been in a car with the airbags on before.
No, neither.
A world first.
Fucking loud. Right,
It's
don't know if
so
I'm allowed to-
loud.
Very
We're
loud.
allowed to swear, we can just bleep it out.
Fucking loud.
Lads, shall I?
The rally continues.
The rally continues.
It wasn't actually that big.
It was like that high, out of the ground.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank fuck I wasn't driving. I'd never hear the end of it.
Yeah, you can. Very quiet, Rupert.
You know, I'm just contemplating.
Oh, that's just the overflow, yeah?
It's leaking out the bottom, I think.
Yeah, so this overflow
Yeah.
goes to the bottom here of it, and that there has cut into that, which goes into this overflow. So you've still got coolant in your radiator, but every time it will go into here, it will just leak out. So you just need a new hose.
Really?
Or shorten it. Because see that right there?
No.
Yeah.
That's cut into that hose.
Oh.
And that's at the bottom of the overflow. So you still got coolant in the system.
Oh, that's all right then.
Is the radiator actually not fucked at all with that?
Some length of that.
It's very close to being fucked.
That is
very
a
close.
well-built Toyota.
You might, and then we'll put it through. Yeah, this is the water coolant leak we've got down from here, but luckily Chris from the Mongolian's got a new bit of pipe. They have literally brought everything, haven't they?
Can we just cut the end off that?
Could do.
Probably could, to be fair, because
Lads, the split on our pipe is right at the end. We just cut the end off.
So feel for it. Let's move.
Look, we stopped and heard that.
Where is it? So.
Top up with a bit of screen washing, you'll be fine.
Yeah. It's like right directly in line. Like
No, laminated.
so you feel that pipe area hinge, and then eventually you'll find.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I don't know if the roads will make the lamination delaminate.
Might make it crack more.
Oh, you lost it. Oh no. In the middle.
yeah.
That's the two laminates holding it.
Like the stuff.
She's going.
There's a pipe underneath that. That's just it. Yeah, it's air.
Is it?
You already lost your aircon.
Yeah, the aircon's fucked.
Rupert, you're going to be devoed.
Yeah, Rupert the aircon man.
Oh, is
We're gonna have to live like animals for the rest of the trip without aircon.
That's better.
bloody spoiled rats.
Going through Turkmenistan, just putting a bit of heating on because it's a bit chilly.
Aircon's a bit cold.
Disgusting. We were just like, get away from me. There's just like hairdryer on your face all the time. I'm not even like a normal hairdryer.
We're back in action. Leak sorted, new pipe. We've lost aircon, but that's not a massive issue. The radiator's a bit then. Okay, now run! Run!
Oh, this is so ropey.
Run!
I don't really want to run into
I'll tell you if you're safe. Run! Run! I will, I swear! Run! Left! Run! Now run straight! Wait, stop, there's a car. Jake, just run to me. Hey. Nice rock, mate.
Yeah, take a good toilet.
Come on! suicide, suicide, to the beat and suicide, suicide, suicide.